Welcome to my channel, HerbN Locs. It's your girl Kyra, and I'm back on the spot. Welcome back to my channel, HerbN Locs. It is your girl Kyra. So I've had these 2-strand twists in my hair since I want to say like April 1st. It could have been like a couple days before that. So it's been a little over 2 weeks. So it's time for these bad boys to come out. Now, usually when I have these twists, like it makes my scalp itch, like to the point where sometimes like I can't even last this whole 2 weeks. But this time it actually has not been that bad. If you have not already, hit that subscribe button, please. It's always appreciated. This is a result of just, first of all, being skinny piece, and a result of my hair being super dry, and more so on the damaged side from dyeing it so much, not moisturizing as much, and then doing an apple cider vinegar rinse. Be better than me. Learn from me. First one. I'm busy. Damn. 2 weeks later, and this is where we at. Ow, 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 ow.